Blue jay is one of the most recognizable and charismatic birds in North America, known for its striking plumage, high intelligence, and loud personality. It is a close relative of crows and ravens. It's about 9 to 12 inches in length and has a wingspan about 13 to 17 inches and lives 7 to 10 years. And it lives in deciduous mixed forests, parks, and backyards. It's omnivorous. It eats nuts and seeds and small vertebrates. Despite their name, blue jays aren't actually blue. Their feathers contain a brown pigment, melanin, but we perceive them as blue because of the phenomenon called structural color. Tiny air pockets in the feathers scatter light, reflecting the blue wavelength while absorbing others. They possess a prominent crown of feathers that they raise or lower depending on their mood. Raised when aggressive, excited, flattened when relaxed. A distinctive black U-shaped collar around their neck and the sides of their head. Long rounded, white-tipped, black crossbars. Blue jays are remarkably brainy. They exhibit complex social behaviors and problem-solving skills, and they are famous for their jeer calls, often acting as a forest sentinel to warn other animals of predators like hawks and owls. They are excellent mimics. They frequently imitate the calls of red-shouldered hawks to scare other birds away from feeders or to test if a predator is nearby. They are essential to the ecosystem. A single jay can hide thousands of acorns in the fall, many of which they never retrieve, and effectively planting new forests. They are monogamous and typically stay with their mate for life. They are also known to be tightly knit within family groups. Blue jays are opportunistic eaters. While they have a reputation for being bullies at a bird feeder, their diet is actually quite diverse. About 75% vegetables, consisting of acorns, beech nuts, seeds, grain, and berries, and about 25% animal, consisting of beetles, grasshoppers, caterpillars, and occasionally small frogs or nestlings of other birds. If you want to attract them to your yard, they are particularly fond of whole peanuts, sunflower seeds, and suet. The nests are built by both sexes, although the female does most of the weaving. Nests are cup-shaped and made of twigs, bark, and roots, and often reinforced with mud. The eggs are typically 4 to 7 eggs, which are bluish or lightish brown with brownish spots. Incubation lasts 16 to 18 days, and the male brings food to the female while she sits on the eggs. Fledgling young birds leave the nest about 17 to 21 days after hatching. If you liked this video all about blue jays, please subscribe to my channel and maybe give this video a thumbs up, or even comment with any of the questions you have. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.